right now, we will get into a healing session. And this healing session is not going to be a claim wherein I'm going to claim anything. What happened with Rama? I didn't know that this is going to happen. What happened with Amit, the 1.25 CR? I didn't know. In fact, I don't know all the other things which happened after that, because I can sense there are a lot of things which are happening in Amit's domains. He's getting some projects day in day. So of course I can't have an everyday testimonial from these people. Okay, yesterday this happened, now 15 days after. I can just pick up one, and that is what I can go through, right? So yeah, right now what we will do and how it is going to benefit you, I don't know. The only thing I know is we will look into clearing the heart chakra. We will look into clearing the heart center right now, because once we clear the heart center, it is there that the goddess of wealth can come. It is there that the goddess resides, and then money comes through you. How it is going to benefit you, which way it is going to benefit you, to be very honest, I don't know. This is divine work. I'm just a mere medium, right? So I'm not going to do anything. The only thing what I know is that I will give you healing to clear your heart chakra, your heart center rather, right?
Okay.
And yeah.
There's a quick question that's come in. Somebody's asked that I just had lunch. Is it okay for me to be part of the healing session?
Absolutely, why not?
All right. And I missed this question, Veejay, so I'm just going to quickly ask you here. By the way, people have started signing up. Mary Beth has asked, sorry, I missed it in the scroll. She's asked, will you be able to help us know what profession we should be pursuing as a part of this entire work? Because you have mentioned it as one of the 8 money blocks as well. So would you be would you letting people know this as well?
There is a whole 90, absolutely. There is a whole 90-minute session dedicated to only that particular thing. And to be very honest, and that is there in the package B, to be very honest, around 30% odd people, by the end of the sessions, they get to know as to what they would be doing, or they move towards knowing what they should be doing with that questionnaire and with that particular healings and all. Of course, for people who are not able to still get to know as to what they should be doing, or what exactly is their life purpose, or what exactly is their mutant power, although they get close to it, there is a solution, which of course we speak of it in the sessions only. But yeah, to be very honest, 20 to 30% people, they detect it in the session only.
Fabulous.
And yes, there is a 90-minute session which is absolutely dedicated to that one particular topic.
Fantastic. And the heart center, the heart chakra clearing, healing.
We will do it right away.
It's for the entire group, people. It's not a one-on-one. It's for the entire group. So just listen to Veejay as he takes us through it.
Yes. And at this point of time, while I'm giving you this healing, and there is this sound which I'm going to give you. This is a sound which is given by Durga Ma. This is the sound which was given to Kavita ji, and it has helped thousands so far, and I'm sure it is going to reach millions. It is going to help them. This sound is called Chamotesha. If I can put it up in English, spell it out in English. It is CHA Cha, MO Mo TE A SHA. Chamotesha. This is a sound. As I'm giving you. Yeah, Neelu.
I said I know that sound.
Oh yeah, great.
It was part of the Roadrunner.
Absolutely, and it's a part of everything now. Whatever we do, this is the first up thing, which is creating miracles right now.
Right.
Yeah. So what we will do is that you need to close your eyes, and you need to chant this particular sound.
This will be effective in the call replay as well.
Yes, it will be effective in the call replay as well. It is at that time that those who are hearing the replay, they will have to chant the sound, the same sound. Yeah. So it is at this time, just close your eyes. Do not pray, do not connect, do not ask for anything. This is not the time to ask. It comes by default. What is going to come, nobody knows. I also don't know. Right? Probably the divine also doesn't know at this point of time. Only once you participate in this and do it, wherever the divine feels it has to go, the divine energies will flow down. So just close your eyes and keep chanting this sound, Chamotesha, and focus your attention on the heart center. Possibly at this point of time, you will not be very comfortable as you focus your attention directly on the heart center. But yeah, towards the end, a lot of things would have cleared out in the heart chakra at this point of time, right? So just close your eyes as I give healing to each and everybody here at this stage. And keep chanting Chamotesha. And how do you need to chant? It's absolutely simple. No mudra, nothing. Just close your eyes and just look into your heart center. Just focus your attention basically to the heart center, closing your eyes and say Chamotesha, 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 Chamotesha. That is all what is required from your side, and the rest will be taken care by the divine. So everybody just close your eyes. Do not ask for anything. Just be there with this process. Keeping your eyes closed, I'm going to give healing to everybody. And this healing is called the Buddha healing. And as I play up this sound, and as I play up the song of Buddha, just focus your attention on the heart center and keep chanting Chamotesha. Slowly and steadily, making absolutely little movement. Very slowly and steadily, come back to your normal state and can open your eyes.
Vijay, that was beautiful. It was so lovely.